Welcome to Own Product Pick, your destination for the latest in drone tech, camera gear, and expert reviews. In today's video, we're soaring into the sky with the top 5 best HD camera drones in 2025, featuring cutting-edge models with stunning video quality, smooth flight controls, and smart features that make aerial photography easier than ever. Whether you're a content creator, hobbyist, or professional filmmaker, these drones deliver crisp 4K per 8K footage, long flight times, and next-gen stabilization that takes your visuals to the next level. High voltage from compact travel drones to powerhouse professional rigs, we've picked the best of the best to help you choose the perfect flying camera this year. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's take off into the top 5 HD camera drones of 2025. Number 5. Autel EVO Nano Plus. The Autel EVO Nano Plus is a compact yet powerful drone designed for both hobbyists and content creators who want high-quality aerial footage in a small package. Weighing just 249 grams, it's lightweight enough to avoid many regulatory restrictions while still packing advanced features like a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor and a 50MP camera. The Nano Plus delivers stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second and supports HDR for vibrant colors and better contrast, even in low-light conditions. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures stable footage, and the RYYB color filter array helps capture more light, making it an excellent choice for dusk and dawn flights. In terms of performance, the EVO Nano Plus offers up to 28 minutes of flight time and includes obstacle avoidance sensors on the front, back, and bottom, rare in drones of this size. The Autel Sky app is intuitive, offering various smart flight modes like Follow Me, Rocket, and Orbit, as well as a user-friendly editing suite. While the app may lack some polish compared to more established brands, the drone's solid GPS lock, quick takeoff, and reliable return-to-home features make it dependable in real-world conditions. Overall, the Autel EVO Nano Plus stands out as a capable alternative to DJI's sub-250G lineup, offering impressive image quality and safety features in a travel-friendly form. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a premium drone designed for creators who prioritize camera performance and flight reliability. It features a powerful 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad camera capable of shooting stunning 5.1K video and 20MP stills, delivering exceptional image quality with natural color tones and impressive dynamic range. The drone also boasts up to 46 minutes of flight time, giving users plenty of airtime for capturing expansive landscapes, cinematic shots, or professional survey work. With advanced obstacle sensing in all directions and intelligent flight modes like Active Track and Master Shots, the Mavic 3 Classic makes it easy to get complex, smooth footage with minimal effort. What sets the Mavic 3 Classic apart is its balance between high-end camera capabilities and user-friendly design. It strips out the secondary telephoto lens found on the original Mavic 3, making it more affordable while retaining the core features most creators actually use. Its GPS-based return-to-home function, improved flight stability, and compatibility with the DJI RC or RCN1 controllers ensure a responsive and smooth flying experience. For filmmakers, photographers, or hobbyists who want top-tier aerial imaging without extra frills, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is one of the best value flagship drones available today. Number 3. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is a powerful and versatile drone that strikes a perfect balance between performance, portability, and camera capabilities. It features a dual camera system, offering both a wide-angle and a 3x medium telephoto lens, allowing users to capture cinematic shots with dynamic perspectives. With its 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Air 3S delivers stunning 4K video at up to 100 frames per second and crisp 48MP still images, making it ideal for both professional creators and hobbyists. Its flight performance is equally impressive, offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, strong wind resistance, and smooth handling thanks to DJI's advanced flight stabilization technology. In terms of smart features, the Air 3S includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing, advanced subject tracking, Active Track 5.0, and intelligent flight modes like Master Shots and Waypoints, making complex shots easier to execute. The upgraded O4 video transmission system ensures a stable and responsive connection, even at long distances. While it's slightly bulkier than its predecessor, the Air 2S, the improved battery life and dual camera versatility make it a worthy upgrade. Overall, the DJI Air 3S is an excellent all-around drone that combines professional-level imaging with user-friendly flight controls, making it a standout choice in the mid-range drone market. Number 2, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a top-tier drone designed for professionals and serious aerial photographers who demand exceptional image quality and versatility. Its standout feature is the triple camera system, which includes a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad main camera, a medium telephoto, and a powerful 7x optical zoom lens. This setup allows creators to capture everything from ultra-wide scenic landscapes to tight, cinematic shots without changing drones or lenses. Video capabilities are equally impressive, offering up to 5.1K resolution and support for Apple ProRes in the Cine version, delivering cinematic footage with stunning dynamic range and color accuracy. Flight performance is equally refined, with up to 43 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and advanced GPS stability for smooth, safe flying even in complex environments. Intelligent flight modes like Active Track, Waypoint, and Master Shots make automated filming easy and professional looking, while the redesigned controller and O3 Plus transmission ensure a reliable signal and low-latency video feed. The Mavic 3 Pro isn't cheap, but for those who need professional-grade tools in a portable, foldable package, it's easily one of the best drones available today. Number 1, DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a powerful and versatile mid-range drone that brings several high-end features from DJI's premium models into a more compact and affordable package. One of its standout features is the dual camera system, combining a 1/1.3-inch wide-angle and a 3x medium telephoto sensor, both capable of shooting 48MP stills and up to 4K per 100 frames per second video. This allows for greater creative flexibility, whether you're capturing expansive landscapes or zooming in for dramatic perspectives. With up to 46 minutes of flight time, advanced obstacle avoidance in all directions, and DJI's reliable O4 transmission system, the Air 3 delivers a confident and responsive flying experience. What sets the Air 3 apart is how seamlessly it balances performance, portability, and intelligent features. It supports waypoint missions, vertical shooting for social media, and advanced tracking modes like Active Track 5.0, making it ideal for both hobbyists and serious content creators. The drone's design feels premium, yet it's light enough to carry easily in a backpack. While it doesn't quite reach the image quality or low-light performance of DJI's Mavic 3 line, the Air 3 offers a compelling balance of tech ease of use and cinematic capability, making it one of the best value drones on the market today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.